Hey, welcome back to the channel. Sam here from Highline Campers. Now I've got a really busy day today because I'm going to be doing a walk around of our latest VW camper, which I'm sat in right now, and we're going to be handing this camper over to the customer in about an hour and a half. So Roger's coming all the way to Huddersfield to pick up his camper later on today. So make sure you look out for my handover video. I'll be picking Roger up from the station very soon and then revealing this amazing camper to him. So make sure you check out that handover video. So what I'm going to do now is walk around this camper as usual. I'm going to show you all of the external modifications, and then I'm going to jump in the back and show you all of the internal spec and colours and everything that Roger's chosen for this van. And typically it's just started raining, so I think I'm going to get wet as I walk around this camper. But please do let us know what you think to this camper. Just put something in the comments below and let us know what you think to the external look of the van and also the internal conversion. So I'm going to brave the weather and I'm going to get started. Okay, so here we are. So this is our latest VW T6.1 camper that we've just recently finished. And as I said, the customer is going to be coming later on today to collect this camper, and we're really excited to hand this one over to him. So what I'll do is I'll just walk around the external part of the van just so you can see it from a distance as I talk about the base vehicle. So this is a T6.1, okay, it's a Highline model and it's on a 21 plate and it's only done about 13,000 miles. It's really low mileage. We bought the van directly from VW a few weeks ago, and then Roger actually bought the base vehicle and then worked with us to choose all the colour of the spec. So this van has had our platinum conversion package, so it's had the full works on it, and it's also had some extras which I'm going to walk you through as well. So if you're new to the channel, I'll just walk you through what you get with the platinum package. So first of all, you get all of the external modifications. So you get the brand new 20-inch alloys and brand new tyres. We've lowered the van by about 40 millimeters, and we've added the gloss black side steps there. And then around the back here, you'll see we've fitted a colour-coded rear spoiler. This van is also a tailgate, as you can see. So it's a really sought after model, with it being the tailgate. And then on this particular camper, Roger went for a scenic canvas roof. So it's a black rooftop, and then it's the black scenic canvas. So that canvas pulls right back, as you can see, so you can open the roof right up, which we really love. It just gives the camper another dimension. It means you can get plenty of air and light in there when you're parked up and you've got an amazing view. So I think you'll agree this van looks absolutely great. We've used some new wheels on this van. So these are MSW wheels. We've not used these ones before. So let us know what you think to these wheels. Just put that in the comment section below. So all around, this camper is absolutely great. It looks really good from the outside, and I think you're going to like the internal spec as well. So what I'll do now is jump inside the van as usual, and I'll walk you through all of the spec choices that Roger's gone for, and then also talk about some of the extras as well. Okay, so here we are. So what I'll do is I'll just talk you through the colour choices, and then we'll go through some of the extras. So this van has had our Schwartz upholstery, so it's actually a very dark grey, verging on black. It does look black on the video, but it is a very dark shade of grey. And then we've put some light grey stitching in the seats, and it's the Bentley style. And then light grey VW logos. And then we fitted the silver tambour door on this one, so it's not a wood door, it's the silver tambour. And then he's gone for the dark grey gloss worktops and stowaway table. Most of our vans have the solid oak, but Roger wanted to go for the dark grey gloss, which I think looks really nice with this furniture. The furniture colour is a very light grey. We haven't used this colour for a while, but it's a very popular colour. And then he's gone for the iron grey blinds. So you've got a blind above the kitchen area there. You've got one on the back window on the tailgate, and then you've got two blinds on this side, on the two windows on this side as well. And then because the van's had the platinum, it's had the diesel heater. You can see the little control there, and then the vent is just behind the driver's seat down there. That's where the air comes out there. And then all our campers have a double gas burner, so I'll just open up the double gas burner there. And then you've also got a cold running water sink there as well. And then the water and the gas are stowed away in the cupboard below. We're actually going to be moving the water tank from this cupboard on future conversions and putting it into the back of the van, so you can have a lot more space in this cupboard here. And then you've also got a Dometic fridge and a freezer, which is a really nice size fridge freezer to keep all your food and drinks. And then you've got a nice little cutlery drawer in there as well to put your cutlery in there. And then here you've got the two 240 volt plugs, which they work when they've been hooked up at a campsite, and you've also got two USBs in there as well. And then everything's controlled here with this little panel here for your leisure battery. That controls the lights. So you've got three spotlights here on the passenger side, and then you've also got a strip light above the kitchen here, which nicely lights up the kitchen area. And then on this van we actually fitted a little bendy reading light here in the corner of the pop top, so when Roger's in his roof and he's reading at night time, he's got some light there, so that is a little extra that we can add to the pop top roof. We can also add some extra USBs and things like that in that little corner there next to the light. So what I'll do is I'll just pull the bed board down so you can see inside the bed area. So we use a double ply board for the beds. This is a really, really strong bed board. It will easily take 2 large adults with no problems. So it's a really comfy area to sleep, but it's also a good place to store things while you parked at the campsite. We do now have a mattress which fits perfectly for the West Dubs roof and for most pop top roofs. So if you are looking for a mattress that will fit in a pop top, that will stay in the pop top even when the roof is down, make sure you check out our pop top mattress, which you'll find on our online shop, and I'll put a link on the screen now if you're interested in that. Okay, so I'm just sat on the passenger seat, which is swiveled round just so you can see the view from the front of the van going towards the back of it. And I think you'll agree this spec looks really good. It's a really good colour combination with the light and the dark greys, and I do really like this colour upholstery. It's a bit different from the usual light grey that we use. So let us know what you think to the upholstery colour and also the other spec colours that Roger's chosen for this van. Okay, so now I'm sat on the back seat here on the rock and roll bed, facing forwards. So you can see we've fitted a swivel mechanism on the front seat, and that is a sliding mechanism, so that seat will slide right up to this table here, so you can all sit together in the back. And I'll just quickly show you the front of the van. So this is, like I say, is a T6.1. Okay, it's a 21 plate. It's done about 13,000 miles. Because it's the Highline, it's got all the tech on it. So it's got the adaptive cruise control, it's got the air conditioning, it's got a heated front screen, electric folding mirrors, it's also got the automatic wash wipes. So it's basically got everything on it that you'd get in a car. So the Highline is really the only spec that we buy, and most of our customers are looking for this kind of van. So it's a really nice van to drive, and it's got about 1.5 years VW warranty on it as well. So you've got peace of mind if you buy a van, obviously with warranty. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll just open up the tailgate and I'll just show you the back of the van and then also an extra that we've added as well. Okay, so here we are. So this is the back of the rock and roll bed. So you've got a nice big cupboard at the back here. So this cupboard door opens up here at the back and it goes right to the front of the bed, and you've got a door there at the front there where so you can access it from the front inside the van. And then you've also got a cupboard at the back here where we store the leisure battery at the back there, but you've still got plenty of space in there to store things as well. And then Roger's had an extra 240 volt socket added to the back of the van here, which we can do for you in case you want to plug things in on the campsite from the back of the van. And then also Roger's gone for some speakers in the back of the tailgate. So we can fit a couple of speakers in the tailgate there, which just means you've got kind of surround sound when you are driving and when you parked up. And it really does add a lot actually having these speakers in the back. It really does enhance the music when you've got music playing. So that's an extra that you can have as well. Okay, so I'll just take one little last walk around the van just so you can see it from every angle, but I think you will agree it looks absolutely great. Indian grey is a very, very popular colour, and once it's had the conversion, it's got the external mods on it and everything, it does look really, really great. So again, just let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the overall look of the camper from the outside? And we'd love to know what your thoughts are on this particular spec that Roger's chosen for this van. So as I say, we're going to be picking Roger up at the station in about 1.5 hours. And then revealing the camper to him, so make sure you keep a lookout for that handover video. Okay, so that's it for my little walk around of this amazing camper. Please do let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you're in the market for a VW camper over the next few weeks and you're a little bit unsure about which route to go, about whether to actually go and buy a completed camper or whether to buy a base vehicle and have it converted by a conversion company, then we are here to help. We're here to kind of give you some honest advice and send you in the right direction. So if you'd like to speak to us, just head over to our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk. Just go to the inquiry page and send us a message. And if you're interested in getting some help in sourcing the right base vehicle, we do offer a source and convert service, which is what most of our customers use, and that's where we will actually go and find the right base vehicle to fit in with your budget. We'll go out to our contacts at VW, we'll find the right base vehicle, and then we will buy that van on your behalf and then work with you to choose all the colours of the upholstery and the furniture and everything else in the van. So if you're interested in that, you can find out more about that service on the homepage of our website. Just scroll down the homepage and you'll see some information about that. And if you haven't already downloaded our guides, we've got our conversion spec guide where we lay out all 4 of our conversion packages, everything that goes in them and also the prices. And then we've also got a VW camper buyer's guide where we talk through the process of buying a camper. So I'll put links to both of those guides in the description below, and you'll also find a link to our online shop if you are interested in one of our pop-top mattresses. And if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that, because I do share regular walk-around videos of all of our campers, just like this one, plus all the base vehicles that we're getting through ready for conversion. Plus I share lots of information videos covering all sorts of topics about VW campers. So make sure you subscribe, and if you've got value from this video and you've enjoyed the content, please also consider hitting that like button. I will see you in the next video. Speak soon.